Here's how you can make sambal. I'm in Malaysia checking out the food scene, and this is their go-to condiment.
Heat up pan, oil inside, some shallot in, garlic paste, chili in, green chili, the bird eye, spicy, tomato in, and the shrimp paste. In Malay we call belacan. The flavor of the shrimp, so it will enhance the fragrance of the chili, everything. Sugar in, chicken stock powder, salt, fish sauce, and a bit of dark soya sauce. It needs to be slow cooked around 45 to 1 hour. So, okay. Spicy, sweet, sour, salty, everything inside.
Okay, it's a bit spicy, it's a bit sweet. I like the lime juice on top, that's nice.
Yes.
So it's a bit of everything.
Sambal is a shrimp chili paste. It's different between other country and our country. Thai got their own sambal, Malay they got their own sambal. Mostly Malaysian people, we eat spicy a lot. In breakfast, we need sambal for our coconut rice, for noodles. Every dish we eat with sambal.